In this video, I'm going to show you how to get super seed packs in Grow a Garden inside Roblox. So over here, it's basically quite simple. So what you have to do is you want to press Q on your keyboard, and as you can see over here, you have those super seed packs. Now, they're only limited edition, and of course, they cost Robux. And yes, if you have enough Robux, you can just simply pay it over here. So click on that, and you can pay your Robux, and you will get those super seeds. However, you can also get them for free. So if you are inside the limited time shop, so press Q on your keyboard, scroll down, and then over here something called Forever Pack. So you simply want to click over here where it says free, and you'll be able to basically daily claim different things. And as you can see, as I go through these over here, right now I don't have enough cash, but when you go through these, eventually you'll be able to get some of those super seed packs as well inside here. So just make sure you do that, you complete different quests, and then after you actually get enough money, you can just get through this and get yourself some super seed packs. But other than that, that's the only way. The only other way is to actually buy them with Robux up here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.